A notary public is an official appointed by the state government. They deter fraud by verifying identities. Notaries ensure that people signing documents are who they say they are. This is done by checking IDs and overseeing signatures. Notaries are impartial witnesses. They don't take sides in agreements. Their job is to make sure signings are legal and voluntary. Common documents notaries work with include wills, trusts, and contracts. They also handle loan documents and power of attorney forms. Becoming a notary offers several benefits. It's a way to serve your community and fight fraud. You can even earn extra income. Notary work can be done part-time or full-time. It fits different schedules and lifestyles. Overall, becoming a notary public is a rewarding experience. It's a chance to learn new skills and help people. With dedication and the right guidance, you can become a trusted notary in your community. Before you begin, understand your state's specific requirements. These details are usually available on your state government's website. Search for the Secretary of State or a similar office. Generally, you must be a legal adult and a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. You need to reside in the state where you're applying. A clean criminal record is essential. Some states might have additional criteria, so check carefully. Once you've reviewed the requirements, ensure you meet them. If you have questions, contact your state's notary regulating body. This proactive approach will save you time and effort. By following the guidelines, you'll be well prepared for the next steps. Once you meet the requirements, it's time to apply. Find the application form on your state's website. Download and print it or apply online if available. The application will ask for your personal information. This includes your name, address, and contact details. You'll likely provide your social security number for a background check. Some states require fingerprints. Pay attention to any deadlines. Submit your application by the due date. After submitting, the state will review your application. Be patient, as this might take a few weeks. You might be contacted for further information. Respond promptly to any requests to avoid delays. Section 4. Gearing up. Your notary essentials. While waiting for approval, gather the necessary supplies. You'll need a notary seal or stamp. This tool authenticates your notarial acts. A journal is crucial for recording each notarization. It serves as an official log of your activities. Invest in a good quality pen, preferably black ink, for signing documents. Consider purchasing errors and omissions, E&O insurance. It provides financial protection if you make a mistake. Having these supplies ready streamlines your work. It also demonstrates professionalism to your clients. By being organized, you'll be prepared to start your notary services efficiently. Section 5. The final steps: oath, commission, and beyond. Upon application approval, you'll likely need to take an oath. This is a formal promise to uphold your duties. You might take the oath at a designated office or before an authorized official. Once you've taken the oath, you'll receive your commission. This document officially appoints you as a notary public. It's essential to file your commission with the appropriate county office. Congratulations, you are now a commissioned notary public. You can start providing your services to the public. Remember to charge only the allowable fees set by your state. Maintain accurate records and always prioritize ethical conduct. Section 6. Notary expertise, specializations, and staying current. As you gain experience, consider exploring specializations. A notary signing agent handles loan document signings. This area often offers more earning potential. You could also become a mobile notary, traveling to your clients. Stay updated on changes in notary laws and regulations. Attend workshops or join notary associations. Continuous learning is crucial in this field. By staying informed and honing your skills, you'll thrive as a notary public. Remember, your role is vital for ensuring legal validity and preventing fraud. Embrace the responsibility and take pride in your contribution to your community.